3 reasons to reapply after 3 months. Na-reject ka na ba sa job application mo? Bakit nga ba may 3 months waiting period bago ka ulit mag-apply sa same company? By the way, this is Ciel, one of the sourcing specialists here at Orbit for 3 years now. So tara, pag-usapan natin. First reason, time to improve yourself. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na-reject ka is na-reject ka na talaga. May mga times din na kailangan mo i-improve yung sarili mo, your skills, and your experience. Yung 3 months, perfect yon to improve your skills, your resume. Pwede ka mag-take ng online classes if you want. At kung hindi ka natanggap, this is your chance para matuto, mag-practice, at mag-gain ng experience. Second reason, para fresh start ulit. Most company, they will keep your application records naman. So kung nag-re-apply ka agad-agad, baka wala pa na bago sa qualification mo. Kaya, same lang din ang result. Minsan, may mga company naman, pag na-reject ka, ang sasabihin sa'yo, tatawagan ka na lang. In my experience, nung nag-apply ako at hindi ako nakapasa, ang thinking ko, di na ako ulit mag-apply dyan. Rejected na ako eh. Pero, may ibang company naman na hindi sila ganun. In 3 months, I educate myself, research. Then, luckily, nung nag-re-apply ako, nakapasa naman. Third reason, hiring process. Companies receive tons of applications. So, iba-iba naman yung hiring process ng ibang companies. Hindi kasi practical sa kanila na balikan agad-agad yung mga na-reject na. In our case, pag nagbaba ang management ng particular accounts, qualifications, saka namin babalikan yung application mo. So, kung na-reject ka, don't lose hope. Gamitin mo yung 3 months para mag-level up. At ipakita sa kanila na ikaw talaga ang best choice.